Now we are coming to lesson number 3, gift of Magi. Some of them have even asked whether to pronounce it as Magi or Magi. It's Magi, to confirm with Magi. To inform you in a better way that grammar came later, language came first, but grammar started ruling over it. It's like a married person who was free before that, wife came later, started ruling on it for a better accommodation of both of them later on. That's different thing. But the thing is that grammar needed language, not the language needed grammar. One has to understand what is being said. To keep it in a proper format, grammar came in. So why I am telling is this, because many of the people who have the fear of failing in their diction or composition of sentences, they have the fear behind their mind that I may go wrong, so they never speak up. And those who, whatever kind of things they speak, and grammar is what we say, has gone down with his twisted legs and everything, still they think that they are speaking greater things. To come back, what we need is proper language, not a very high one, not a very poor one, a proper language, and that fits into the liberal and whatever needed grammar. Don't go too high so that the person doesn't understand. Coming to the grammar part of it, vocabulary exercises. Vocabulary is nothing but the word power. Unless we have the power of expression, to the extent, again, the person understands, not to show how much we know, but to show how much we can make understand him, you people. If I throw the words, what is not just throw the words to show my prowess, it is of no use unless you understand it. Hope you have understood what I have said just now. I am directly coming to the vocabulary exercises on page 42. Before that, I will make one amend. Last time, the 5 important sentences, some of the queries that came, that the paras I did not paras I did not inform, so they could not, I was hurrying up. So again, just informing, the first important sentence, so far as my understanding is concerned, page number 35, para number 28, I had my hair cut off and sold because I couldn't have lived through Christmas without giving you a present. So the highest thing that I have possessed, that I am ready to sacrifice for a gift. This is sentence number 1, important from my point of view. Second one is on page number 36, para number 35. Jim drew a package from his overcoat pocket and threw it upon the table. That's the way he wanted to surprise his life partner with the kind of gift that he was trying to give. The third one is para number 38, the sentence, and now they were hers, but the tresses that should have adorned, the coveted adornments were gone. She had something to put on her hair, but the hair was not there. That is the third sentence in para 38. Next one is, the fourth one is in 44, 44th para. Dell said let us put our Christmas presents away, keep them a while. They are too nice to use at present. I sold my watch to get the money to buy your combs, and now suppose you put the chops on. So they come to a ground zero, and saying that let us keep aside talking about the gifts, because none of us have the kind of things that we thought of using it too. I brought something which you can use, he brought something which I can use, but for the time being, because of the sacrifice of each of them, they become useless. The last one and the fifth one, the last one, 45th para, lamely related to you uneventful chronicle of two foolish children in a flat who most unwisely sacrifice for each other the greatest treasures of their life, of their house. So this is the final one, fifth one. So please note that. Coming to the grammar, first one, Della's despair dash to ecstatic joy I feel gave way to the filling the blanks to be filled in is gave way. Now second one, takeoff. The takeoff was delayed dash the bad weather, on account of bad weather. Third one, we are dash new opportunity, looking for new opportunity. Fourth one, her conduct is so strange that it matched beggar description. The words are given in the upper column. From that only we have to select. That only I have selected. Matched beggar description. Just remember her conduct. The word is conduct. It can be read as conduct also. Here it is conduct. It is here. If it is verb, you can conduct this class well. Then it is conduct. Here it is a conduct. It is an adjective or adverb. When it is used like that, it is to be pronounced as conduct. Some people pronounce the word itself as, it's a pronunciation, not pronunciation. Pronoun are different, and for pronouns, the N-O-U-N, for pronunciation, P-R-N-U-N, C-I-A-T-I-O-N. Just remember that. Then fifth one, I have some urgent work dash to attend to. Sixth one, dash we reached home. At last we reached home. Seventh one, the burglar dash the house dash. The burglar dash the house dash. What will just see the burglar through the house inside out. Here it is, just a minute. Seventh one, turned the house inside out. The burglar turned the house inside out, not turning the house itself. It means he turned the things inside. So he turned the house inside out. Eighth one, Della and Jim were dash for each other, made for each other. Ninth one, two of them must have been meeting dash on the sly. 10th one, we dash an important on our son's performance this year. We are on the lookout for an improvement, improvement in our son's performance this year. In short, the words that are given and the sentences that I matched, I'm just telling once again. Beggar description matched with 4th sentence. At last matches with 6th sentence. Likewise, I should not make, I think, too much lethargic. You can search made for, 8th one, then turn inside out, 7th one, on the sly, 9th one, on account, 2nd one, give way, 1st one, look for, 3rd one, be on the lookout, 10th one, and finally to attend to, 5th one. Fill in the blanks with antonyms of the words underlined. The iron rails dash in summer and contract in winter. Expand in summer and contract in winter. Second one, writing a novel is a laborious process. It is not dash an easier one. If you have any other suggestion or if you have to say anything wrong, you can inform me too. Third one, we should remain calm dash in dash as we do in times of prosperity. We should remain calm in poverty as we do in times of prosperity. Fourth one, he is very proud of his team's achievements, but is very dash. I feel it should be humble, very humble, about his own glorious achievements. Fifth one, the former option could be more sensible than the latter. Dash. Latter. There are three things you should remember. First one is letter with L-E-T-T-E-R. There are, in fact, there are, we may say 4, because one is litter. If you don't write a proper letter, then it goes into the litter, kachara. So then first one is fun apart. First one is letter, L-E-T-T-E-R. Then latter, L-A-T-T-E-R. The former and latter, we say. It's a latter over here. Then later, sooner or later. Don't confuse these words and use them properly. Otherwise, it will give a different or horrible meaning. Sixth one, in Bangalore, the value of properties has appreciated, but the quality of life has depreciated. Seventh one, investing in shares requires prudence. Investing all your money in shares is what we say, I said foolishness. Then the other than language activities, I am skipping out. Then you go in for all those things. Then coming to the next part of it, we'll just say pronouncing the word on 46th page. Coomb, I said C-O-O-M-B, as if double O is there. Coomb, womb, and where we have to coomb. The B is silent and O is pronounced as if 2 O are there. Coomb, tomb, and womb, mother's womb, what we say. So there are so many other words they have given where certain B is very silent. It is not to be pronounced, though its presence is there. Then judge, for D is not to be pronounced. There are so many words, lodge, ledge. So in some other words, H is not to be honor. Many even very dignitaries, I have honor to. I feel what honor he should be given for killing English. It's very horrible. Many very learned persons also, I'm honored to say it. It gives me a chatir lat malle manta pe. It's that sort of a feeling I get. So you just go through them. Then notes about the author also. O. Henry is a very lucid and funny writer. So many stories he has written. You have to be very much enjoying, considering your time level, to improvise our what we say English worthiness. Now grammar revisited. Then we will see, just going to the sentence, fill in the blanks with suitable forms of verbs given in the brackets. First one, number of visitors dash really large in the last week's school day celebration. Number of visitors was large. Visitors, when the word visitors come, we say were large. No, it comes for the number is large. It's for the number is a singular, so number was large. The second one, rapidity of these movements is, not movements, don't count on the movements. It's for the rapidity is. Rapidity of movement is beyond expectation. Third one, time and tide, wait for none. Both. There are two things, so we have to singular word. Then fourth one is honor and reputation are dearer than life. If I am wrong, you correct me. Fifth one, the ship with all passengers was sunk by the enemy. Sixth one, intelligence as well as industry are essential for success of today's competitive world. Are. Seventh one, neither hen, I feel it should be hen, singular, hen nor cock is in the yard. You say hence, then something different will be there. Inform me. Either James or I is going to get the prize. Ninth one, 20,000 rupees dash price of the of a good mobile. Is the price. Rupees are, but the price is. 10th one, the staff is in a meeting. 11th one, mathematics is my favorite subject. 12th one, more than one person say so. persons, more say so, that is it. Say so, not for the person, it's for the more. 13th one, many a flower wither unseen. Inform me from. The most readable part is the last 3 chapters. Part is not about the chapters. The 15th one, ship after ship are leaving for America. 16th one, the secretary and treasurer have called me to the office. 17th one, he is one of those who trust everyone. He trusts. It's like that. Those trust, but here it is not concerned with those. He trusts. You just ignore in between, ignore the crowd, what our English teacher used to say. Concentrate on what is concerned with the work. 18th one, each of the boys sings well. Each boy sings well. Now, 19th one, every one of chocolates was stale. 20th one, all the pies are spoiled. Some of the 21st, some of the pie are missing. Here some of the pie they have written. I feel like it should be some of the pies. Some of the, some means of many, some. So some of the single pie, how it can be. Just think of it. I have made it some of the pies. Now 22nd one, very interesting one. None of the garbage were picked up. Why I say not was, because I remember our English teacher saying no one and none are two different things. It's not when combined it becomes none. It's two different things. I remember no one was there, none were there. That is what we were told. If it is wrong, I don't know, inform me. 23rd one, either of us is capable of solving the problem. Is. 24, none but fools have ever believed in it. Here also one word to be added. Believe in it. Trust in you. I trust you, we say. It's a, what is colloquial language. It is not considered as wrong, but the suffix believe in, trust in is to be used. That's what our teacher said. I believed in them. So 25th one, one of the students is absent. 26th one, not only soldiers but also officers were drunk. So 27th one, the politician along with the newsman is expected shortly. Newsman and politician are 2 persons, but what we are concentrating, the politician, if you remove the word newsman, politician is expected. It's the is. We are concerned with the politician. 28th one, the pair of scissors belongs to my uncle. Pair belongs. Scissors belong, but here what say? Pair belongs. But actually pair of scissors means a single scissor. Remember, pair of trousers means not two trousers. It's a single trousers. It's the English language that puts to calling trouser because it's for 2 legs. It's called a pair. I want a pair of trousers. I am given a you may accept. I will be getting 2 trousers. It's not that. It's a single trouser. It's called a pair of trousers. 29th one, a lot of work has to be done. 30th one, I wish I knew her address. I wish I knew her address. Now about inversion. Inversion is nothing but what we say, putting verb before the subject. Like say in the normal sentence you say you are drinking. Are you drinking? Is the way. So don't get confused or this thing. Something that we already normally know, it is being put in some chaukat. Then we feel something is difficult. No, it's not like that. Not only does he play, not only dash, but dash. Not only does he play, but also good at studies. Not even once dash. Not even did I sleep. Third one, on no account dash. On no account you should do this. Only by running at full speed dash. we can reach the destination. Fifth one, on no occasion dash have I seen him doing this. Sixth one, so badly dash, so badly did I need money, I didn't hesitate to ask my friends. Seventh one, seldom, seldom does anger solve the problems. Eighth one, in no circumstances, in no circumstances should you waste precious water. Ninth one, nowhere, nowhere could we find an administrator like him. 10th one, to such a pitch, arguments reach that he finally won. 11th one, only on that account I agreed to go with him. 12th one, only by paying double the money could I convince the boatman. In case of 12th, there is one very interesting thing. Can anyone spell the word first? F-I-R-S-T, is it not? Third, T-H-I-R-D. Likewise, fourth, F-O-U-R-T-H. But in case of 40, F-O-R-T-Y, U is missing. Many banks also write the DDs or checks like 40,000. I don't know how much is it. It's a 40. U is to be omitted. Just like that, there are some things. In case of 12th, ask many of your friends how will write T12, T-W-E-L-V-E. 12th, TH. No, it's F-T-H. 12th it is. Why? Don't ask me. Now we will go in for the last part. Add suitable suggestion tags to the following statements. First one, you like me just as well, don't you? Here it is to be don't you. Don't you is to be pronounced and don't you. It's a Queen's language some may call, but this is the way it should be. Let us be happy on this Christmas Eve, shouldn't we? Tagging questions, what we say. Third one, you like this gift, again don't you? Fourth one, no, none can ever count my love for you, can't they? Fifth one, it's dandy, isn't it? Sixth one, give it to me quick, will you? Seventh one, just think. Fourth one, no, none can ever count my love for you. It should be just check, can't they? Is it? Now, sixth one, give it to me quick, will you? Come in, won't you? Eighth one, their gifts were no doubts wise ones, weren't they? Ninth one, they loved each other very much, didn't they? I look like a Coney Island chorus girl, don't I? Now, language for fun and all those things. Palindrome, what is called, some of the things, some of the words, some of the paras, reading same way, both way, like deed, level, pop, all those things. You do it by yourself. Grammar is a very interesting thing to teach, then learn. So you will learn, I will teach. Thank you.